You can free up some storage space by simply offloading the apps you don't use anymore. Doing so will basically delete the app from your iPhone, which also erases all its installation files. However, your data and preferences will still remain in your phone so that when you reinstall the app, it will appear as though you haven't uninstalled the app itself. In today's video, we will show you how to offload apps on your iPhone SE 3. Before we move on, please like and share our video so we can continue helping more people. Now going back to our topic, here's how you offload an app on an iPhone. Go back to the home screen and tap Settings. Scroll down a bit and tap General. Find and tap iPhone Storage. Tap Enable beside Offload Unused Apps. This will allow your iPhone to automatically offload apps you haven't used anymore. The iPhone SE 3 doesn't have an option to manually offload third-party apps for some reason. So basically, you're empowering your device to make a decision for you to offload apps that haven't been used for some time. If you want to disable the offloading of apps, then go back to the main settings screen, swipe down a bit to find App Store and tap on it once found. Scroll down and then tap the switch next to Offload Unused Apps to disable it. And that's pretty much it. We hope that this simple tutorial can help you. You may subscribe to our channel to support us or click one of our videos to continue watching. Have a great day.